Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to my channel. Let's spread happiness. I hope all of you are fine. In this video, I will teach you how to make different circuits at tinkercad.com. It is quite useful and free website for making different circuits and simulating them as well. So first of all, log in into this website as student. It's free, and when you will log in, this view will be shown up in front of you. Under left panel of this website, you can see circuits, and when you will click circuits, click this create new circuit. This panel will be shown in front of you. Here you can see the component list. Currently it is selected as basic. It will show you all the components available, so you can select all. It will show you all the components available. So I will switch back to basic. In this video I will teach you how to make a simple Arduino circuit for detecting intrusion of any human being or any object. So let's start. First of all, find Arduino board under component list, click and drag it over here. I will teach you how to write code for it as well. We will be needing PIR motion sensor. It's passive infrared motion sensor for detecting any motion. So find it and click and drag it over here. And we will be needing LED as well for showing output. Just click and drag it over here as well. So first of all, let me tell you the about pins of Arduino board. It has 6 analog pins. You can see A0, A1, A2 and similarly A5, and it has 13 digital pins. You can use these pins as input or output pins as per your requirement, and it can provide 5-volt DC power as well, and it has ground pins as well, and it has other pins as well for connecting to different Arduino boards and for serial data as well. So currently we will use pin of this Arduino board as per our requirement. First of all, identify the pins of PIR sensor. It has center pin labeled as power. Here we will provide 5-volt DC power, and it has ground pin as well. Here we will provide ground, and it has signal pin. Here we will provide output signal to our Arduino board. So first of all, let us provide 5-volt DC power to our PIR sensor. Just simply click this 5-volt pin and click and drag the wire and connect it to your power pin of PIR sensor. Again, provide ground. Click this ground pin and click and drag and connect it to your ground pin of PIR sensor. And for providing output signal of PIR sensor, I will give it to pin 2 of my Arduino board, and I will use it as input pin. So connection of PIR sensor are complete. Let me repeat. I have provided it DC power 5-volt, ground as well, and output pin I have connected to digital pin 2 of Arduino board. So I will use pin 13 as my output pin of Arduino board, and the other leg of LED will be connected to ground. So our circuit is complete. Whenever any motion will be detected by this PIR sensor, it will give the output signal to pin 2, and our pin 13 will be high whenever any motion is detected. So let's write code for it. You can see the code option here. When you will click this as text, select this text. It will show you default code, but we have to modify it as per our requirements. So we will define a button state here. int button state is equal to 0, and under void setup mode our pin 13 is selected as output, it is correct, and define pin 2 as input pin. I will type here pin mode 2 as input pin, write input and then semicolon. So our pin 2 is defined as input pin and our pin 13 is defined as output pin. So while loop function, this is the main function will work for us. Let's modify it. Button state is equal to digital read. So button state will be changed to digital read pin 2. It will read pin 2 whenever intruder will come. Pin 2 will be high. This signal will be given to pin 2 and pin 2 will be high. So here we will provide if function. If button state is equal to high, correct syntax. If button state is equal to high, then digital write (13) as high. Close the bracket. Else, otherwise, if there is no signal at pin 2 of our Arduino board, digital write 13 as low. Pin 13 will be low and it will not provide any signal when there is no motion or no intrusion. Close the bracket and give delay of 10 seconds. 10 seconds. So our code is complete. Let me repeat. Button state is equal to digital read 2. We will redefine button state. It will read pin 2 whenever any intrusion will be detected through PIR sensor. This signal will be high and at pin 2 there will be signal received. So if button state is equal to high, if there is signal at button state pin 2, then digital write pin 13 as high. There will be output signal at pin 13 and this LED will glow. Else digital write 13 low. Otherwise there will be no signal at pin 13 and it will be low, it will not glow. So give delay of 10 seconds. So let's now simulate our circuit. One more thing, define this int button state is equal to 0 out of these brackets, these symbols. So click code and then start. First of all, let me make view more clear. Click this start simulation and it will be simulating our circuit. So double click this PIR sensor and you can see this arrow. Whenever there will be any motion in front of this PIR sensor, this LED will be glowing. Let's see in real time. This is the area where there will be any intruder or object moving. We are seeing in real time, whenever I will move this arrow in this area, dark area, my LED is glowing, it means there is any intrusion. And whenever I move this arrow away, there is no glowing of LED. So again repeat. One more thing, Let me show you by connecting a buzzer over here. Whenever there will be any intrusion or motion detection, buzzer will ring. So stop simulation and find buzzer, piezo buzzer, and connect its positive terminal to pin 13, short it with pin 13, so it will be ringing as well. I will short it at pin 13, so both LED and buzzer will be connected through pin 13, and connect its negative terminal to ground. Now again start simulation. Double click this PIR sensor and you can see this piezo buzzer is ringing as well whenever I move this circle in our desired. LED is glowing as well. Whenever I move this circle away from area, it is not glowing and buzzer is not ringing. Whenever I move this circle in our desired area, the buzzer is glowing and LED is glowing as well. So I hope you have understood it. I will make more videos on Arduino circuits. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel as well and share this video as well. Thank you very much.